My name is Cynthia, and I'm going to talk about how to put a spreadsheet of plant location observations into the Calflora database. From calflora.org, the homepage, you do need to be signed in. Go ahead and do that as a data contributor if you're not. And then go to About Calflora. From here, you can read all about Calflora and scroll to Observation Upload. This box here where it says input data is where you want to paste your spreadsheet. So here's David Magny's spreadsheet that he is interested in getting into the Calflora database, and I'm helping him and showing him how. So you go down to the bottom, hold down Shift, copy, and then paste, and tab delimited, parse. Looking good. Just the fact that these are lined up in columns the way that I'm expecting. Go to assign, and this is where you say it's kind of a translation. So when I say dates, or when David Magny says dates, he means observation date. When he says NO dot, he means his specimen number, which is not an option here, so I'm going to put it under notes. And I'm going to say the source organization, CNPS, and then the integrator, Calflora CP. And if you had a spreadsheet with only one species in it or one observation date, you could, and I should get rid of that, and one observer, you could fill it in here and that would override what you have in your spreadsheet. But we have different observers, different observation dates, and different species, so I won't fill that in. Same for these other fields. They're not all consistent, so I'm not going to apply one to the whole thing. Apply. Missing observation date. Oh, let's go check what happened here. Date. Oh, good catch, Calflora. Taxon is taxon. When I say dates, I mean observation date. I made a mistake there. There we go. Okay, now let's see if it accepts my translation. Yes. Validate plant names. Okay, David, how'd you do? These ones are either misspelled or there's a space in front of them or they're not in Calflora. So let's go ahead and convert them. Get them right. This one is, I happen to know, not in Calflora, so I'll say skip this record. And you could go to the Calflora homepage and check. This one has a space at the beginning. And let's just see if this is spelled correctly. I think it is. Calflora, name wizard. Yes, he spelled it correctly. So I got rid of that space, and now I'll say replace all in case there's another one that had that space. I want it to be replaced without the space. Convert data. Here's another space. Let's see. Could check it and make sure it's in Calflora also. Oops. P-A-R. I think that's how he spelled it. I'll just paste it again just in case it wasn't spelled correctly. I think it was replace all, convert data. Okay, that one is misspelled a little bit. I did my homework ahead of time, so I already know. Replace all, convert data. Oh, it doesn't like that CF. Otherwise, it's correct. Convert data, it doesn't like that F. Oh, and it's twice. Let's just check this. Make sure. You know what I could do is just refresh it. It would get rid of all that. Okay. Yep, correct. Okay, replace all. Convert data. Okay, now we save the results. Oh, it takes a little while. And after you save, it's not published. So if you want to publish these observations so that other people using the Calflora database can see them, you do need to go into your account. So since you're signed in as you can go into your account. So let's just view them here now that they're saved. Saved 468 out of 468 records in this batch. View them and fold up the map so we can just look. They're all unpublished. They're looking good. None of them had photos. You can't get photos in from the spreadsheet anyway. I'm actually going to hand these over to David Magny, but for now I'm going to just publish. Well, actually, I'll show you how to publish them. I'm not going to publish them from my account. Batch edit, accessed by others, published. So if I said apply changes here, all of these would be published. But since these are David Magny's and I'm going to hand them over to him to do the publishing and the editing, if any, I'm not going to publish them for him. That's his decision. And if you have any questions about this process, I'm going to assign his owner number, his user number as the new owner here so that he is able to do that, and then I'll say apply changes. Don't say delete all, that's very dangerous. Clear this form is okay. If you have any questions about this process from the calflora.org homepage, go down and click here, contact Calflora, and please do include a link about your question. So for instance, if you're on observation upload and you don't know what's going on, copy and paste that link into your email, and also in this case a screenshot would be good. Thank you very much.